Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic. Make money with ChatGPT. 5 easy methods for beginners. If you're looking for ways to leverage the power of AI and boost your income, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing services. First up, freelancing services. Many businesses need copywriting, content creation, and social media management. You can use ChatGPT to draft articles, write engaging posts, or even brainstorm creative ideas. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients looking for these services. With ChatGPT as your writing assistant, you can deliver high-quality work faster, increasing your productivity and income. Number 2. Creating digital products. Second, consider creating digital products. Use ChatGPT to help write eBooks, guides, or online courses. Probably you have a subject you're passionate about. Craft content around it using AI to guide your structure and ensure quality. Once you've created your product, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle or your website, generating passive income over time. Number 3. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk about blogging and affiliate marketing. Start a blog around a niche you enjoy, and utilize ChatGPT to generate blog posts, SEO strategies, and even newsletters. You can monetize your blog with affiliate marketing by promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your links. ChatGPT can even help you craft compelling product reviews to boost your conversion rates. Number 4. Content creation on social media. Fourth on the list is content creation for social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter thrive on engaging content. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, draft posts, or even create scripts for videos. As you grow your audience, you can secure sponsorships or engage in affiliate marketing, turning your creative passion into profit. Number 5. Building chatbots for businesses. And finally, building chatbots for small businesses. Many companies want to enhance customer interaction without breaking the bank. With ChatGPT, you can create custom chatbots that improve customer service on websites. Offer your services to local businesses, and you can charge a fee for setup and ongoing support, creating a steady income stream. To wrap it up, here are the 5 easy methods to make money with ChatGPT. Offer freelancing services. Create digital products. Start a blog and engage in affiliate marketing. Create engaging social media content. Build chatbots for businesses. Remember, the key is to find what resonates with you and start experimenting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology for profit. What method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.